Right. All right, let's go. Let's go spin up the tbDEX site. Okay. Okay, wait. What's a tutorial that somebody had that I linked in the thread? Great, thank you, Frank. All right. All right, let's do it. All right, WSL, don't blow up on me. I'm going to rename this tmax window tbDEX, and we will cd documents web 5. Make sure that I like to separate my I like to put my code in documents. I like to put everything in documents because other things will pollute different files. I've seen people do Git directories for their home dir. Josh, God, I'm blanking on his last name. I want to say Tripper. I think he does that. And he has his doc files accessible, so you can find his website. He's got great doc files, and they're configurable. So, but yeah, so different strategies to keep your home directory clean. I like to put my home directory on a separate partition when I'm doing a Linux machine, because then you can blow up your Linux distro and switch partitions to a different one if you wanted to. And let's see. So yeah, and then when you back up, you just back up documents. You usually have to clean up your like Golang cache and other stuff if you put Golang in your docs. All right, so nothing. Oh wait. All right, nothing here. Where are we? We're there. Let's do the clone. Cloning in an SSI service and Docker. Oh fuck. Okay. Man, Docker. Are we in WSL2? I think we are. Yeah. Okay, so little uname -8. Okay. Okay, so all right, Docker WSL2. Download Docker. Docker. I don't want Docker desktop. I want installing Podman. Okay, let's just run Pod. Or no, we got to do. Did somebody do a Podman compose? Is this done yet? Looks like it is done. All right, this was kind of immature last time I saw it, but this is latest development version from GitHub. Sure, what the heck? No, okay, let's not do that. Okay. Python-m pip install Podman compose. This is beautiful. This is nice. I like this. Good job. All right, Podman compose. Oh, I love this. Okay, great. Oh my God. Thank you so much. What a pleasure it is. Okay, great. All right, okay, so all right, and we're seeing a bunch of errors. Okay, so there's no systemd. There's no systemd. Okay. Let's see about WSL, IP tables, error. Okay, looks like this person used Docker Compose just under, so we never do that. So never. already in love with Podman rootless, so I would just stick with Podman compose no matter what. Okay, so our problem is that it's interacting with systemd. So we can see from the logs here, unable to write build event, error, exit code. So it inspect, okay. And we'll find name and tag. So UI and repo tags, no such image. So this went very badly. I think, okay, so short name, no qualified registries are defined in etc. Okay, so we have two problems here. Actually, I think one problem that actually affects us. So we see error, this line here, unable to write build event, Unix, write unixgram at 0004, arrow, run systemd journal socket, send message, no such file or directory. Right, so if we do psafx, so Anaki showed me this cool one. So the tree, it's F that does the tree. I usually do psaux, but that's more friendly for piping to scripts. psafx is more friendly for understanding as a human. I prefer htop to everything else, but sometimes that's not installed. So so let's see. psafx. What if we wanted to watch? Okay, so now we get. All right, see, we see our PID numbers increasing down here because this command is running every 0.1 seconds. Right, so this basically gives you a polling, just similar to top. Right. Okay. So okay, well, I've never done this. This is what I want usually when I'm looking for htop, but I like the little graphs at the top too, showing the load. Okay, why are we doing this? I think I'm just explaining. There's no systemd, it's just a nit, and nit is not systemd in this case. So basically, that's what that error line is about. This one, this error, Unix, no such file or directory. This error is about the fact that we're running within WSL2, so there's no systemd. All right, so this error here is error creating build, the next line down, error creating build container short name Golang 1.17 Alpine did not resolve to an alias, and no unqualified search registries are defined in etc containers registries.conf. All right, so this is telling us that it tried to do from Golang, and it couldn't find out where it's supposed to do that from. And now the main public registry that most people use is the docker.io registry, and that's what Docker is pre-configured to use. So we will probably an array of port registries, unqualified images in order. Okay, so we need to edit this with sudo. So let's do docker.io. And this should replicate now the functionality of the standard Docker pull. So let's see. Resolving Golang using unqualified search registries, registries.conf, and now we see a Docker.io registry also has a rate limit on it that you'll hit pretty fast. So we need to go figure out how to, if we were going to go build more containers, like I'm not sure how many containers we're going to build here, but we may run into the rate limit, and then at that point we figure out whatever this Etsy, the Podman version of setting the password is, which I